n'okuzuula emikisa bannayuganda gye bayinza okweyambisa ate n'ebitongole byaffe okusobola okukola emikago n'ebitongole ebiva e Butuluuki. Abantu bangi mubawulira nga bagamba nti bagenze Butuluuki. N'olwekyo kirungi nnyo okukyaza omubaka kyongera okwerula emikisa. Ensi gye tulimu eribwa abo abategeera emikisa ate ne bagirondoola. Tetusobola kuzza Buganda ku ntikko nga twekuumidde wano tetumanyi bifa mu nsi ndala oba nga tetubagulizaako bantu baffe. Kati ekyokulabirako eno essuutu gye mulaba gye nyambadde yava Butuluuki mu nsi yaabwe. Waliwo abazisuubula ne bazireeta wano, oluusi bafuna ebibasoomooza. Kaakati bwe tuba nga tulina enkolagana ng'evira ddala ku mubaka ku kitebe, ebintu ebyo tusobola obisalira amagezi. N'olwekyo tusanyuse nnyo okumukyaza era naye aliko bingi by'ayize endoza nga bw'anaabagulira. This is Ambassador Mehmet Fatih from Turkey, which we usually call Turkey. But Turkey is the traditional way of referring to that country. And we're very pleased to receive him here. He knows quite a lot about the Kingdom of Uganda, and he wanted to learn more. You learn more when you meet other people from the other side. So we've exchanged views briefly on the history of the Kingdom of Uganda, briefly on the formation of the country called Uganda. We've learned a lot about Turkey and the opportunities that exist. I didn't know that we've got a number of Turkish companies working here in Uganda. Some are building roads, others are in development issues. And as you know, we always welcome collaborations with prospective partners. As you may be aware, the kingdom is permitted by law to invest, to carry out development programs. There are many opportunities that Ugandans can get from Turkey, and I think Turkish companies can also build collaborations with us. I've told him about some of the partners we have, and they are carrying out very meaningful projects with the kingdom, and I think the opportunities exist. But it all starts with learning from each other, from hearing from each other. And that's what we've been doing this morning, and we are very, very pleased to receive Ambassador Mehmet Fatih, and I'm sure this is not the last time.
Beginning about what Turkey has been doing in Uganda and what we are planning for the future. I informed him about Turkish companies, Turkish NGOs, and the Turkish Development Agency in Uganda. So far we have completed 76 projects, development projects in Uganda, and we wish to continue our projects, and hopefully we can also do some projects with the Uganda Kingdom. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.